Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this mini-series of 3 episodes, we are going to show you 15 ways how to gain trust in a relationship. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well. We hope that we can help you on your way to become more confident and would love to see your subscription to our channel. So let's get it started. 15 ways on how to build trust in a relationship. 6. No cheating. The warning is that if you want to develop trust with your partner, you need to keep the relationship exciting or else reevaluate your goals in life. So how does one gain the trust of another person? Simply said, you shouldn't cheat on your partner because you no longer find them amusing or find enjoyment in their company. 7. Take responsibility for your actions. Additionally, it might be wise to undertake trust-enhancing activities for couples like scheduling fun together, engaging in profound, meaningful talks, coining terms of endearment for each other, asking for forgiveness, saying, "I love you," more often sharing a gratitude list, thanking your partner. Building and accomplishing shared goals, fitness, money, professional achievement, with healthy couples who are good examples of happy relationships. These exercises for couples that promote trust will strengthen bonds between partners and address the problem of how to repair trust problems in a relationship. Being truthful with yourself and your spouse about the reasons behind your choices, actions, and inactions is one of the methods to develop trust in a relationship. 8. Be present and engaged. Over time in relationships, complacency can creep in and cause you to emotionally distance yourself from your partner. Withholding from your mate might make insecurities worse and lead to relationship ambiguity. You can reassure your partner of your ongoing devotion to them and foster trust with your relationship by being aware of them and interested in what they need. 9. Respond to your partner's needs. Sometimes, your partner might not express the needs they have to feel better, but you can still earn their trust by making an effort to meet those needs. To show them that you are there for them, try to keep an eye out for them at all times. 10. Be honest. Easy enough? Try it then. Being honest is crucial to building trust in a relationship because relationships can be challenging. Be as honest as you can about both the positives and the potentially challenging issues. Your partner will know you are not trying to trick them if you are honest with them. They can then learn to blindly believe your words and trust that you will always tell them your honest view. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.